What's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video. The 48 Laws of Power Analysis series, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, why we doing law number 10. This is probably gonna be the last one for today, guys. Cause we gotta understand, we gotta give y'all niggas time to fucking simmer and understand the books, you know what I'm saying? So fucking law number 10. What does it say? Be careful who you associate with yourself, you know what I'm saying? Association is really key. You know why? Because sometimes you are who you associate yourself with. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a very famous saying. I can tell a man just by the friends he hangs around with. That's the same. You gotta be important. It's very important because who you associate yourself with is who you are likely to become. If you associate yourself with criminals, you're more likely to become a what? A criminal. Associate yourselves with people who are philosophers, who think about the world in a different way, you're more likely to adapt that mindset. If you associate yourself with successful people, you will develop successful habits. You know what I'm saying? So this is what now that we understand that. Here's one thing you should never ever do. Never associate yourself with people that have misfortune or bad luck. I think we all know why. Just in case you didn't understand the explanation. Simply because sooner or later you will end up facing the consequences of your interactions with them. Like, there's something called the Murphy's Law. Like that sometimes people may have what we call being infected with the Murphy's Law, like whatever can go wrong will go wrong. You know what I'm saying? You'll be dragged into it. You gotta understand that. Eventually you can also get dragged into it because what's stopping it? You know what I'm saying? What's stopping it? This is why it's very important for you to instead associate yourself with people who have generosity or good fortune. Like I said, since these habits could change you for the better, and you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. Now, it's okay if you want to associate with misfortune people simply to try and get them out of that rut, help them get, you know what I'm saying. But you have to understand when you know you cannot fucking help someone, get out. You know what I'm saying? Get out. You gotta be honest. Get out. You know what I'm saying? Because the longer you stay in, you, the more the more the chance of you being dragged into that nonsense. You know what I'm saying? And also associating with people helps you together with your reputation. Let's say you honesty, you know what I'm saying, and you associate with people who are also honest, your reputation is more believable. You know what I'm saying? Receipts are very important when it comes to humans. They don't, you know what I'm saying? Of course, it's not working out, but then also fucking receipts. So, reputation. So let's try to say, yeah, associate yourself with people that have good fortune or generosity. You know what I'm saying? So you can gain what they have. So you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. All right. And you know what I'm saying? I think it's gonna be the last video for the day. If I'm not gonna record like a different strategy series, you know what I'm saying? I have other books I'm trying to analyze too. I got the 33 strategies of war, the laws of human nature, the laws of success, outwitting the devil. You know, I think by tomorrow, not by tomorrow will be the next time, will be the next time if I'm not busy, or if I don't forget to upload another 48 laws of power analysis. So alright, guys, don't forget to like, comment, below, subscribe. If you want, you go on my new book, The Blueprint to Success. It's on fucking Amazon right now. If you want the fucking free version, just comment down below the Blueprint to Success and your email. I'll send you the free ebook. It's a very short one, 23 pages. You know what I'm saying? Something like that way you can find what I believe it takes for you to become the best version of yourself while achieving your dreams. Alright, like, comment below, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Shit.